Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing pretty fine. This is Flying Skies One, welcomes you all to watch videos. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and I thank all the subscribers who have subscribed my channel from the bottom of my heart and giving their valuable feedbacks. Thank you so much. This is Shopee online store. Please don't skip this video. Watch this video till the end. If you really want to have some budget deals and products at lowest prices ever, you can download Shopee app from the Google Play Store and order the products that you want. Here I have ordered zip. There's no minimum order and free shipping is available. The zip is 2 meters and 10 zip pullers are given a number, and the quality is good. This is for sewing zippers to your clothes or any fashion accessories. And the next product, this is soap cases that I've ordered on Shopee. The quality is good. This product costs 6 rupees. You'll be getting as a set for 24 rupees. It has got premium quality. This is how it looks. Is it not pretty good? And it is unbreakable as shown in the picture. Most of the people have the mind of deciding the product's quality on its price, but it's not so with Shopee. Once you order things or the products on Shopee, you'll be knowing that you'll be getting products at low prices or the lowest prices, I could say, that you ever had shopped for such a less price and with good quality. And next product I have ordered here is the frizz cover. It comes with a set of 3. That is the handle set, door, and the top mat would be given. And with the mats and the frizz, this is how it looks. Please don't go away. I will be showing you how to order in Shopee. Once you download the Shopee app from the Google Play Store, this is how it looks. You log in with your phone number and the hot deals would be available on the home page itself with 1 rupee store, 49 rupees store, and the deals would go on for every 2 hours as shown in the picture. So once you select the product, while you check out, you apply the coupon that is available right over there. See, now different varieties are available. You can shop according to your wish and want. You have different traders selling at low prices with premium quality. I have selected the voucher in the cart. 115 rupees with the frizz cover, and after applying voucher, I've got it for 65 rupees. You place the order, happy buy, and go for cash on delivery, that is COD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, Flying Skies One for more videos and support me. Keep smiling.